Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video I'm going to show you how to check whether a number is odd number or even number. So in the previous video, in some previous video, we have learned how to print odd numbers or even numbers, but in this video I'm going to teach you how to check whether the number is odd number or even number. Basically the user is going to enter odd number or prime number. So I'm going to run it in a while loop because I want to run this program forever. That's why I'm going to put inside a while true loop. Then I want to get the user input. I'm going to say input, enter a number. Then I want to get a number in this variable. Then what I want to do, I want to check if int. First of all, I want to convert this user value into integer because by default this input is going to return a string data type. We already learned what is data type. I hope you have understood that. So we have to cast that data type into integer. That's why we can do some numerical values such as okay. And I'm going to say I'm going to divide. I'm going to modules by 2 if it is equal to 0. This means plain it is an even number. Okay, else you have to print it is an odd number. Okay, so I'm going to execute this program and you can see it is pretty simple. I'm going to enter 1. Print is not defined. Yeah, I make a simple mistakes. Okay, I'm typing 1 is an odd number, 2 is an even number, 3 is an odd number, 4 is an even number, 5 it's an odd number, 6 is an even number, and so on and so forth. So this is the way to check whether the number is odd or even in Python. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. This video is very short and very easy to learn.